Good evening and welcome. You're watching Trending Tonight with me, Sanket Upadhyay. So as cops narrate the horror as they are admitted in various hospitals as to what happened at the Red Fort, a typical templated political war of words has begun. Typical and templated, because whenever anything goes wrong, you will have the same things or same positions being taken. The political blame game, BJP versus AAP versus Congress over these protests. It's going on. All of them feel that they've got a one-up over the other. It's a game of political one-upmanship. But the point is that all of them have forgotten that the real casualty has been either the cops who are recuperating in hospitals and also the irreparable damage that has been caused to India, and that too on Republic Day. So that is going to be discussed right here on the show later. Let's quickly tell you what each of these political parties and stakeholders are saying. So you've got the Aam Aadmi Party, which has attacked the BJP and the Congress. Raghav Chadha, who's going to join us in just a short moment, said actor Deep Sidhu is responsible for the violence. He says Deep Sidhu is BJP's sleeper cell. Then he produced a lot of images. He said Deep Sidhu was photographed with the Prime Minister as well as Amit Shah. How could he have got access to the Prime Minister's residence and the residence of the Home Minister if he was not a sleeper cell? He also says that Captain Amrinder Singh is in cahoots with the Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's the Aam Aadmi Party's attack. Of course, dynamics of Punjab playing. Then the Congress. The Congress says it's a conspiracy against the farmers. The violence was scripted. Home Minister Amit Shah is responsible for the violence. Prime Minister Amit Shah should quit. Government failed to protect the Red Fort. Modi and Amit Shah's disciple, that's the word that has been used, disciple Deep Sidhu was present in chaos. Government could not remove farmers with might, trying deceit, and the government is trying to defame the farmers to remove them. So that's the Congress's strategy. But after these allegations, the BJP cannot be left far behind. The BJP claims farmers planned the Red Fort march. So it was not just a Deep Sidhu, but everybody did. BJP has attempted to bust what they say is the farmers' claim that this was an isolated event done by only a Deep Sidhu. Not just Deep Sidhu, the BJP released videos saying that everyone planned the Red Fort march, and in those videos they named Gurnam Singh Chaduni, who is the leader of the Bharatiya Kisan Union Chaduni faction, and Rakesh Tikait, who is the head of the Bharatiya Kisan Union Tikait faction. In these two videos, which were released by the BJP, these leaders allegedly say, Mr. Chaduni says, we will break barricades and enter Delhi. This is as per the video released by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Mr. Tikait in that video says that we will go to the Red Fort because the main 26 January parade has been truncated, so we'll go to the Red Fort. This is the BJP's version. And before we kickstart our discussion, let's also make you listen in to what the Union Information Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar had to say. He also held a press conference and gave the BJP's version.
लाल किले पर तिरंगे का अपमान हुआ, वो अपमान हिंदुस्तान सहन नहीं करेगा। कांग्रेस ने लगातार उकसाने का काम किया किसानों के आंदोलन में। पंजाब में उनकी सरकार है, पंजाब से निकलने वाले ट्रैक्टरों पर निगरानी करके जो हैबिचुअल क्रिमिनल्स है उनको प्रिवेंटिव अरेस्ट करनी चाहिए थी, नहीं की। राहुल गांधी लगातार केवल समर्थन नहीं कर रहे थे, उकसा रहे थे। सीएए में भी ऐसा ही हुआ, यह अहिंसक मार्च नहीं था, लेकिन कांग्रेस उसको अहिंसक बता रही है। कांग्रेस हताश है, निराश है, चुनाव में हार रहे हैं। कम्युनिस्टों की भी वही हालत है, इसलिए पश्चिम बंगाल में भी नए दोस्ती का रिश्ता ढूंढ रहे हैं। वो किसी भी तरह से देश में अशांति तैयार करना चाहते हैं।
We have Raghav Chadha with us of the Aam Aadmi Party, who held a press conference just a short while ago. Raghav Chadha, good evening. We saw a press conference where you seem to hold up some images to suggest that all those people who instigated the protesters were close affiliates of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Would you like to elaborate?
Well, Sanket, what appears from various documentary evidences that have surfaced is that certain members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, certain people who were associated with senior leaders of the BJP who had access to the Prime Minister at his official residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, were the protagonists of, the violence, the vandalism, and the disrespect that was caused to, the national flag and Bharat Mata yesterday on Republic Day. One such gentleman who's been instigating people from day one, who led the mob, is a gentleman called Deep Sidhu. Now I hold in my hand his picture, where we have the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in the middle. On his right is a member of Parliament of the BJP, Sunny Deol, and on his left is the same gentleman, one Mr. Deep Sidhu, who has been making all sorts of wrong noises, who have been instigating people. In fact, it was him and his colleagues that were one day prior to the night prior to the protest and the tractor rally were instigating people to not follow the route that was agreed upon between farm leaders and Delhi police. And his pictures are with the Prime Minister. This is his picture with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah. He's sitting with him in a very cordial environment. Both of them can be seen smiling in this picture. And it appears that he has access to, all sorts of such people. And in fact, Mr. Sunny Deol gave a soundbite right after his election, saying that one Mr. Deep Sidhu is like his younger brother. And therefore, it leads to only one conclusion, that affiliates of the BJP, members of the BJP, perhaps agents of the sleeper cell of the BJP, were mobilized. Central agencies had infiltrated into the protest, and they have perhaps, led this mob to, indulge in such, vandalism and violence, so as to bring disrepute to the entire Andolan.
Okay.
And weaken the.
Okay, interesting. Now, since you've mentioned the name of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Raghav Chadha, and you've shown pictures also, I would like to introduce Mr. Mahesh Verma, leader of the BJP, and we also have Rohan Gupta. He's the chairman of the social media department and spokesperson of the Congress Party. Good evening, gentlemen. Let's begin with you, Mr. Verma. Raghav Chadha has just held images where he says that the individual being named, the individual who has now been named as having incited this violence, is a close affiliate of the BJP. He has been seen in images with Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. How would you respond? I have seen the explanation of the BJP where Mr. Sunny Deol has said that I had nothing to do with him after my campaigning got over. We parted ways. But then how would you respond to this political allegation?
मुझे तो राघव चड्ढा जी जैसे लोग और इनके पार्टी के और इनके नेताओं के ऐसे प्रचार करने वाले कोई बयान से ज्यादा कोई आश्चर्य नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि सवाल यह है कि रिपब्लिक डे पर 125 करोड़ हमारे देश के लोगों का अपमान करना। इनसे मैं ये पूछता हूँ कि राकेश टिकैत जो घोषणा कर रहे थे और जिस तरह से कह रहे थे कि हम लाल किले पे झंडा फहराएंगे, केजरीवाल भी इस तरह का समर्थन कर रहे थे, मनीष सिसोदिया जिस तरह से छाती ठोक ठोक के कह रहे थे कि देखते हैं कि कौन रोकता है, और जब इस तरह के कारनामे और इस तरह के हथकंडे को अपनाकर और जिस तरह के ये अंजाम दिया गया है इस साजिश को और इस षड्यंत्र को, वो ज्वलंत और वो बहुत बर्निंग क्वेश्चन है आज पूरे देश के लिए और आपके टीवी के दर्शकों के लिए। समझने की बात है कि आज जो राघव चड्ढा बोल रहे हैं उसके बैकग्राउंड में क्या है। ये लोग देश के अघोषित वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने इस देश में एक ऐसा कलंक लगा दिया हमारे राष्ट्रीय पर्व के दिन जिसको हम कभी भी देश की जनता इनको माफ नहीं करेगी।
Okay, one moment. So we have spoken to the Aam Aadmi Party. They have produced some pictures saying that these are close affiliates of the BJP. We have spoken to the BJP, who have now responded by saying that the affiliates of the Aam Aadmi Party and senior leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party was perhaps responsible. Now let's go across to Rohan Gupta of the Congress Party. Rohan, do you also have a list of people you would like to accuse? Because it is very clear that each political party has found fault in the other.
See, it's not about finding fault in others. I am just saying what we have seen yesterday. Mr. Deep Sidhu, we have seen photographs. It is available viral on all the news channels and all. My simple question here. The government is of BJP. The police is under control of BJP. The person who is named as the person who is named for the conspiracy is also connected with BJP. Then why they are raising questions to others? It is a responsibility of police.
How do you respond, Mr. Gupta, to the BJP saying that he was only a campaign manager and Sunny Deol parted ways with this campaign manager and he had nothing to do with the BJP? I'll come to you, Mr. Chadda. Mr. Garewal of the Shiromani Akali Dal is also with us. Yes, Mr. Gupta.
Simple question. Why his name is not there in FIR? The whole country has seen his images yesterday from Lal Killa inciting the people. The whole country has seen his images running away near Lal Killa. Then why his name is not there in FIR? That is where the question is raised. When 35 people who are not there, they are also part of the FIR. Why his name is not there? And BJP has no answer to that.
Okay.
If they are clean,
I think that's an important point. महेश वर्मा इसका जवाब देंगे ऐसा कैसे हो गया that the man Deep Sindhu has been named
FIR में नाम है हम FIR में इनको दिखाऊं क्या कि FIR में उसका नाम है या नहीं है
दिखाइए
अगर मैं आपको दिखा दूं तो ये क्या आपके दर्शकों से माफी मांगेंगे देश से माफी मांगेंगे इनके नेता माफी मांगेंगे पूछिए इनसे
नाम दिखाइए पहले आप दिखाइए नाम दिखाइए पहले आप आपकी नेशनल चैनल पे आपके प्रवक्ता ने कहा कि अभी हम उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेंगे 35 में नहीं आप दिखाइए देश के सामने
22 FIR आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें संकेत जी more than 22
No, but then Mr. Verma, a lot of questions will be asked of the BJP also. As far as the Delhi police is concerned, the nodal agency is the Home Ministry. How is the Home Ministry and the Delhi police absolutely clueless that so many tractors are going to come into the city? This blame has to be taken by the Delhi police. I am sorry, this is an intelligence failure, Mr. Verma.
आप लोग सारी चीजों को जो है ना एक पिक्चर जो है एक बनाया गया है जो कि बना के ये दिखाया गया है लोगों को अब ये समझाने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि जो हमारे जो इनके मंसूबे पे पानी गिरा है अगर वही दिल्ली पुलिस आज के डेट में वहां 2-3 लोगों को मार देती 2-3 लोगों का वहां मौत हो जाता फिर आज इनका विलाप और इनका प्रलाप आप देखते कि ये किस तरह से छाती
जिम्मेदारी आपकी सरकार है क्यों होने दिया आपने
इनके षड्यंत्र किसानों को मारने का ये प्लानिंग थी और ये
You wanted to disturb everything. You have allowed people to go into Lal Killa. You have allowed people to go with tractors.
Sure. Okay, let's move on. No, there are some very obvious questions, unfortunately, getting drowned in the political discourse. Very quickly, Raghav Chadda and then Mr. Garewal. Mr. Garewal is yet to make his opening comments. Yes. Mr. Chadda, quickly.
Sanket, even if the BJP's argument is that he was only a campaign manager of one candidate out of 543 candidates of the BJP, my question to the BJP is how many such campaign managers have access to the Prime Minister's official residence? Sanket, you are one of the leading journalists of this country. Even you do not have access to the Prime Minister's residence. But a leader of the BJP is seen with him. He has access to the Prime Minister at his official residence. He is received by the Prime Minister, clicks pictures and the photos go viral. Number one. Number two, it's not just merely about him, Sanket. There are several other people. Now, here is this gentleman called Amreek Singh. He's seen with Sunny Deol. I have more pictures to show to you. He's seen with Sunny Deol in his campaign. He was next to Deep Sidhu when this ghastly incident was taking place. I have his pictures with Hansraj Hans of the BJP. He's another member of parliament. I have his picture with Parvesh Verma, an MP of the BJP. And not just that, this guy has put official posters of his picture and leaders of the BJP all across Delhi. He's an office bearer of the BJP, one Mr. Amreek Singh. So there are several such people who, as far as I understand, work in the sleeper cell of the BJP,
let's get the allegation
on the payroll of the agencies. They have infiltrated.
As the Aam Aadmi Party representative, you are alleging that the BJP orchestrated these protests. They led this delegation or this group of protesters straight to the Red Fort, and whatever violence ensued was at the behest of the BJP.
agents of the sleeper cell of the BJP, members of the central agencies infiltrated and were the chief protagonists as far as
sure. Mahesh Verma, would you like to respond?
That happened yesterday.
BJP has orchestrated, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, he produces what he says is visual evidence to prove that this is the BJP orchestrating these protests. Mr. Verma.
अगर ये ऐसा करें और ऐसा करके अगर नहीं दिखाते हैं, मैं इनको चुनौती देता हूँ। राघव चड्ढा जिस तरह से ये इनके नेता और इनके लोग और जिस तरह की इनकी ट्रेनिंग है कि आप अपनी चीजों को बहुत जल्दी भूल जाते हैं। याद करो कि आपके यहाँ जो है आपका आईएएस अफसर प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी,
ये क्या कौन से विषय पे बात हो रही है?
विषय की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आदर्श की बात कर रहा हूँ, वीडियो की बात कर रहा हूँ। आपके बयान जो शर्मसार कर रही है हम सारे इंडियंस की, उसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। राघव जी, आप भी इंडियन बात करो, आप केजरीवाल के कठपुतली हो,
दीप सिद्धू आपका मेंबर है कि नहीं है?
आप इस नाते बात मत करो। आप जिससे देश शर्मसार हुआ हो, एक खलियान और किसान की बात करने वाले लोग आज आप ऐसी बात कर रहे हो जिन्होंने आज देश के ऊपर जो है एक कलम का टीका लगाया है। आप उनके बारे में बात करो। आप एक
गाली देते रहिए, कोई हमें परेशानी नहीं है।
को लेकर बात कर रहे हो,
बोलते हैं बड़ा अच्छा लगता है।
आपके लोग क्या कर रहे थे? सीबीआई में पकड़े गए कि नहीं? आपके केजरीवाल के साथ जो है ताहिर हुसैन थे
भाई साहब, ये बता दीजिए कि ये व्यक्ति प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ कैसे नजर आ रहा है?
गिनाओगे या नहीं?
दीप सिद्धू का बीजेपी के साथ क्या रिश्ता है?
याद करोगे या नहीं? ये जरूरी है ना, ये जरूरी है राघव जी।
आपके पास ऐसे
के
कितने
लोगों को
लोग
याद
आपके
कराने की
पेरोल पर
जरूरत
हैं
है
जो इस प्रकार का काम करते हैं?
No, but then let me, one moment, I have to come in here, otherwise we won't be able to make sense of what is being said. Mr. Garewal now, very quickly, Mr. Garewal now, you have seen that a very typical, one moment Mr. Verma, a very typical fight has now broken out between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
यहाँ पे सवाल के घेरे में उनको लाया जा रहा है,
एक सेकंड,
अपनी जान पे बाजी लगा के और इस देश की असमत को बचाया है कल।
जी वर्मा जी, मैं आपके पास वापस आता हूं। मिस्टर गरेवाल, see the point is a lot is being said on political patronage and political support being provided by parties not just in Punjab, in Delhi also, at the center also. This is the allegation of the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, from the press conference, I remember Raghav Chadha also produced an image of one of these protesters with Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Now, would you like to respond? He's holding up that image. Yeah.
Sanket ji, I just want to tell Mr. Raghav Chadha, I think they don't care for the nation. They don't care for the incident which has shaken the nation, but they are playing dirty, cheap politics. Can they answer then when their minister was caught for rape? Is their government is of the rapist? They should not talk, which is an irresponsible thing on this sad day.
What is this nonsense going on, Sanket? Is Akali Dal also involved in what happened yesterday?
Yes, Akali Dal was
were you active
BJP at that time? Can you answer to the people of the country?
What is your relationship with this
why
gentleman?
Kejriwal spent night at the house of
tell me,
terror?
what is your relationship with this
Who
gentleman?
was convicted for act of terrorism?
You can abuse
the Aam Aadmi Party is out to destroy the system and structure, and you will suffer for it.
How is this man related to your party, Shiromani Akali Dal?
BJP was our partner 3 months back. We parted company. If somebody had a picture with the union
minister,
minister,
is this an old image? Is this man of the BJP and not of Akali Dal? Is that what he's saying?
Okay, the Akali Dal is saying that what do you actually prove with an image? I mean, anyone can come to a minister and get a picture click. One moment, let's take a response. No, one by one, let's take a response.
Terrorist who was convicted for terrorist activity.
It's not just right.
During
Raghav Chadha, very quickly, we have heard from you, Mr. Garewal. Let's take a look at the response also. Let's listen into the response also.
Don't play with fire. You will not get anything out of it.
What this image proves, well.
Okay, Mr. Garewal says don't play with fire, but also he says that, you know, when you are in a position of power, many people come to you and get selfies clicked. So what is wrong? How would you respond?
Correct. But not all those people put a poster saying we are members of your party. Not all those people are seen in the same hoardings and posters with senior most leaders of the BJP. Not all those people are seen campaigning for Sunny Deol, holding Sunny Deol's cutouts, walking on the streets, asking votes in his name. Not all those people can enter the Prime Minister's house and be seen with him. Not everyone has access to the Home Minister of India, Sanket.
That is my point. These people are members of the BJP, not just mere sympathizers of the BJP, but they are office bearers of the BJP. And it appears that it is the BJP that perhaps has orchestrated that, and and perhaps they were given an absolutely free pass to reach up till the Red Fort and walk up to the ramparts of the Red Fort.
If I were to ask you the motive, one more, Mr. Chadha, obviously, if you are alleging something for something like this to happen, there must be a motive also, no? What, according to you, is the motive?
Yes, Sanket, the motive is very clear. The success of this entire farmers' movement is based on peace, harmony, brotherhood, and non-violence.
So you're alleging the BJP maligned the farmers' movement to weaken it.
May I just finish? These are the 4 key attributes: peace, harmony, brotherhood, and non-violence.
Okay.
It is on the basis of these 4 pillars that this entire movement has been built and has been successfully being conducted. Now, if you tinker with any of those pillars, the movement will be weakened. And as a result of what happened yesterday, the movement stands weakened. I have no doubt in conceding that yes, the movement has been weakened. And the attempt of the government and the attempt of the sleeper cells of the BJP-led government.
No, but Mr. Chadha, see, the point is, we may allege this, but through the day we have heard from the BJP, the leadership, also releasing certain images and videos of Rakesh Tikait, of other leaders, including Mr. Gurnam Chadhuni. These are all those who were negotiating on behalf of the farmers, also saying, allegedly, that we will break barriers, we'll go straight into Delhi, we will go to Lal Killa. Now, these are allegations.
Well, if
but
I personally, Sanket, I personally have not heard any such video. If you have, please play it on your channel. And if somebody has said that, I condemn it. I condemn that also. Any act of violence, any act of disturbing peace and harmony in my city, in Delhi, in the national capital, should be condemned by all right-thinking individuals. I have no qualms in saying that. But what appears is the prima facie evidence is that the chief protagonist of this entire violence, the chief protagonist who broke the predetermined norms and the
are
route
people
that
who
was
allegedly, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, are close to the BJP. Okay, Mr. Garewal wanted to come in, and then Mahesh Verma. Yes, Mahesh Verma, you will get a right to reply. One moment. Mr. Garewal.
Sanket ji, this is a very sad occasion, and it's a pity on the political parties, instead of bothering for the national shame, that we should intercept ourselves, what we are doing. I think this need to be condemned, and culprits must be brought to the book. I feel the Akali Dal feels that the government also failed in performing its duty of maintaining law and order. The Farmers Association, farmer unions were aware, as per the statement released by Mr. Rajewal a night before, that something is being cooked up by one of their unions, along with that gangster and Deep Sidhu and a few others, because Mr. Rajewal on record admitted that people from Haryana, people from Punjab, misled by the social media 2-3 days before, saying that we are going to hoist flag on the Red Fort. All that, when it came to the
I'm amazed that Mr. Verma, if you listen to Mr. Chadha and Mr. Garewal, it seems pretty clear that this whole Red Fort plan was out there in the open in the social media. I would ask only one question. Will you or will you not call this a failure of the intelligence? That you did not know. I mean, if this was common knowledge, if this was on Facebook posts, surely the government could have stepped in. और ये कैसी इंटेलिजेंस है कि आपको पता ही नहीं है कि कितने ट्रैक्टर आ रहे हैं, कौन-कौन आ रहा है, कहां तक जा रहा है?
अच्छा, ये बताओ संकेत जी कि ये फेलियर जो है देश के सुप्रीम कोर्ट का नहीं है, जिसने इनको अलाउ किया कि आप आंदोलन करिए. इन्होंने कहा कि हम शांति के साथ आंदोलन करेंगे. ये फेलियर जो है क्या उन लोगों का?
This is borderline contempt of the honorable Supreme Court, Sanket.
मैं राघव जी आपके बीच में नहीं बोल रहा था, इत्मीनान से सुन रहा था. इत्मीनान से अगर सुनना है तो सुनो, नहीं तो मैं बोलना बंद करता हूँ. अगर आपको चीखना है, चिल्लाना है,
नहीं, एक सेकंड, मैं इसका जवाब, मेरे पास समय कम है. वर्मा जी, आप मुझे बताइए, ऐसा है, यू कैन नॉट लीव थिंग्स टू चांस. किसी ने एश्योरेंस दिया, नहीं दिया, आपकी प्रिपरेशन चुस्त दुरुस्त क्यों नहीं थी? सबसे पहली बात, इंटेलिजेंस क्यों नहीं थी आपके पास कि इतने लोग आएंगे?
आपको मैं बताता हूँ, प्रिपरेशन की जो बात आप कर रहे हैं, सवाल ये है कि जो राकेश टिकैत, जो माओवादी लीडर दर्शन पाल सिंह, जो जोगेंद्र यादव, जो राहुल गांधी, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल कह रहे थे कि इस देश में अधिकार छीना जा रहा है। जिस खेत खलियान की बात कही जा रही थी, जिस किसान की 2 महीने से रट लगाया जा रहा था,
आप सर्कमवेंट कर रहे हैं, आप मेरे इशू पे बात नहीं कर रहे। मेरा सवाल है कि क्या खुफिया एजेंसियों के पास जानकारी नहीं थी?
उस किसानों से कल क्या कराया गया, ये सवाल उठता है।
चलिए, मेरे पास आई हैव रन आउट ऑफ टाइम।
Just 5 seconds.
No, okay, very quickly, Raghav Chadha, I have run out of time completely. 5 seconds.
I only wish to say, Sanket, that what our friend from the BJP, Mahesh ji, sun lijiye. What our friend from the BJP has said is borderline contempt of the Supreme Court. But having said that, let me please bring this, permit me to bring this to his knowledge, that the people of this country chose Narendra Modi ji to become Prime Minister and govern. They didn't choose Mr. S.A. Bobde to become Prime Minister.
Okay,
and
I've run out of time.
It is not the business of the Supreme Court.
Okay, fine. Raghav Chadha, Mahesh Verma, as well as Mahesh Inder Garewal, thank you very much for joining us on this discussion. The point is that politics as usual has taken over, but who is responsible for what has happened? Remember, whoever the political culprit is, cops were the casualty. Let's remember that. News and updates continue right here on NDTV.